everybody, it's Lillian. I hope that you are doing well. If it's your first time stopping by, hey. And if it's not your first time stopping by my channel, hey girl, thank you so much for stopping by my channel again. Today we are going to unbox, okay? We are unboxing the NAVITUS Parfums. This is the new fragrance and it's called Amour Infinite. I'm telling you, I am so excited. You already know that NAVITUS gives us a beautiful box, beautiful presentation, and I'm sure that this fragrance is going to be exactly what we needed, okay? Let's get on to the video.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
Throughout this channel, you're going to see a few things: beauty, lifestyle, fashion, fun, fragrances, all of that. So if that's something that you think you'd be interested in, I want you to come hang out for a little bit. Make sure that you comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified anytime I have an upload, and also make sure that you thumbs up this video. That really pushes my videos through. One thing that I can definitely say about NAVITUS Parfums is that the presentation is always absolutely beautiful. So let's get into this fragrance together. Okay, if you've watched my videos before, you know how it just comes out. This is just a sleeve. This is just the sleeve. It's really, really nice, very luxurious. The black and the gold, all of them recently, all of the ones that I have, all of the NAVITUS Parfums that I have are from AI, except for one of them. And they all came the same way. I love that they look really, really good. Okay, so you have this box that you can use for something, jewelry, earrings. I've got big earrings, so I like using these boxes for something like that. Of course, it has the flap at the end, so you know you can use that if you want. It's a really, really pretty presentation as always. I love to get into these. They look absolutely beautiful every single time. And there's always this card that has the notes on the back, so I love that part. You know, if you wanted to take this out, you can. There are these little strips or straps right here where you can, there's these little straps right here where you can take this out, use the box, keep the box if you want to. I definitely like to keep them. All right, so let's get into this fragrance. Okay, so you've got, it's an extrait de parfum, really, really nice. Top notes, Italian bergamot, red fruits, pomegranate, pineapple and grapefruit. Heart notes you have orange blossom, honeysuckle, rose, and jasmine. The base notes you have white chocolate, Madagascan vanilla, heliotrope, driftwood, and sandalwood. Okay, this is really, really nice. Of course, I love getting these so I can just go to the notes right off the bat, and we're going to go ahead and give it a spray. This is, wow. This is, I don't know what I was thinking, but this is much better than I was expecting, if that makes any sense. Because when you see the pink bottle, you think, oh, it's just going to be floral or rosy or something like that. But this is really good. You can, yes, you can smell the red fruit, so that gives it, you know, the fruity notes there. Bergamot, of course, the pomegranate. I don't smell much pineapple. Maybe that's kind of the sweetness that I can smell. Of course, grapefruit, which gives it a little bit of tart there. Honeysuckle. This is good. Okay. Okay. I really like this. I really like this scent. I am a orange blossom fan. Oh, my mouth is watering. I don't know what NAVITUS does to me because my mouth is always watering whenever I smell one of these. So I can smell the white chocolate in there as it dries down just a little bit. I can smell that. It smells really, really gourmand right there in the dry down. It's beginning to smell a little bit gourmand on me. Heliotrope, there's heliotrope and sandalwood. All of those kind of give it it makes it very, very well-rounded. It's not so sweet to where it's youthful. I think the other one, the last one that I purchased, was a little bit more youthful a little bit. It was a little bit, it wasn't immature, but it was just a little bit more fun and playful and all of this. This is grown woman here. This is grown woman. It smells really, really good. It doesn't take away from the sweetness in there. There is some sweetness still there, but I do have some fragrances that I just purchased, and they are rather on the sweet side, but they're a little bit more youthful. This one here, this is not giving you, this is not giving you youthful at all. This is giving you more mature. It's not, I'm not saying like what is it? White. This is not giving you white diamonds, but it is definitely a little bit more mature. This is not going to give you that I'm 20 something and we're sitting in the flower bed and there's bubble gum. No, this is not what that is. This one is a little bit different. It's really giving off a mature, very mature scent. Very this is well thought out. I'm loving that white chocolate. I'm loving that white chocolate, a little bit of vanilla, but there's a little bite here. So I'm thinking maybe it has to do with the grapefruit. It has to do with the grapefruit. Definitely that driftwood and sandalwood that is coming out just a little bit. And I think that's what's giving it that more sensible. It's a very, this is a nice fragrance. This is very, very nice. This is one of those type fragrances where I could see myself wearing it by itself. There are a lot of fragrances that are out and you are encouraged to layer them. You are encouraged to put this one with this one. But I can't really say that I'm really smelling anything that I would want to put with this. This kind of covers all the bases, if you will. If you like fragrances that from the top to the bottom, they're good. When you first spray it on, it has one thing going on, but I am smelling in the dry down. There's a little bit of sweetness still in the dry down, but that citrus by the grapefruit, it is still there, even though it's right there at the end. Even though it's dry on me, I could still smell the bite a little bit. This is a wonderful fragrance. Talk about a launch. First of all, we all loved the Ambrosia Imperial with the banana, right? The banana scent. It was so good and so sweet and so playful and so enjoyable. I still wear it, and I'm gonna be honest, whenever I put it on, I try to, just kind of savor it a little bit. Also with this pear, I'm gonna be honest, I am not really a pear person, but I am definitely an apple person. So, and I know that sounds crazy because they kind of are the same almost, but with this apple and with the pear, I absolutely love this. This is another one that is kind of Jolly Rancher-ish, green Jolly Rancher-ish. Very fun, very enjoyable. You can tell it's luxury, but it's very fun and playful. Oh, but this one is very different. I believe that this one, of course, as I said before, it can stand alone. It can stand on its own. You don't have to layer it with anything. You don't need to layer it with anything. It is gorgeous. This one here is a little bit more mature. This is for the ladies who love fragrances in the springtime, but they're not so sweet to where they're like this one. These are totally different. These are totally different, I think. They still give off the luxury feel. I usually get good longevity with my NAVITUS Parfums, so I'm not really worried about that, but I know this is going to be an amazing fragrance. I want you to try it. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to try to get your nose on it or if you're going to try to get your hands on it. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed, okay? Well, that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to know about it. I need for you to do me a favor. Comment down below. Let me know what notes you think that you may enjoy the most, the notes that are put together. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Also, I want you to make sure that you thumbs up this video, all right? That really helps to push my videos through. Subscribe, of course, and then hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. How in the world are you going to know that I have uploaded a video if you don't hit the bell? You've got to hit the bell, okay? Make sure that you do that. And like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye.
No one but me.